Hello, this is quantitative reasoning. We want to look at the operation that evolve around this reasoning exercise. And we are dealing with seconds, minutes, and hour. So, for us to get 2 minutes, we have 24 seconds plus 96 seconds, and that gives us 120 seconds. So, if you had 120 seconds, if you divide it into 2, definitely it will give you 2 minutes. The same thing we have here, 145 minutes plus 35 minutes. If you add them together, will give you 180 minutes. 180 minutes divided by 60, that will give us 3 hours. So 47 seconds plus 193 seconds. If you add it together, that will give us 240. So 240 divided by 60, so that gives us 44 minutes. So that is the operation that evolve around this exercise. So let us dive into the exercise in specifics. Now we have 55 seconds, and we said it leads us to 1 minute. So how many seconds do we need to arrive at 1 minute? And we have 55 seconds, so we have 5 seconds. So 5 seconds plus 55 seconds will give us 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Now we have 78 minutes and we have 42 minutes. If we add them together, that will give us 120 minutes. 120 minutes will definitely give us 2 hours. Now we have 51 seconds, and they said it leads us to 2 minutes. So how many seconds do we need to arrive at 2 minutes? So 2 multiplied by 60, that is 120. So 120 minus 59 seconds, 51 seconds. So this will give us 69 seconds. So number 4, we have 4 minutes and we have 64 seconds. Let us convert this to seconds. 60 multiplied by 4, that will give us 240 seconds. So 64 minus 240 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 7. So here we have 420 minutes. So where we are going is 420 minutes, and we have 400 minutes here. So if you subtract it from 420, so this gives you 20 minutes. Now to number 6, we have 10 hours and we have 360 minutes. You know that 60 minutes makes an hour. So 60 multiplied by 10, so that gives us 600. 340 minus 600, that gives us 240 minutes. Now we have 29 seconds, we have 31 seconds. If we add the two together, so that gives us 60 seconds, and 60 seconds makes 1 minute. So we have 66 minutes and 54 minutes. If you have 66 plus 54, that is 120 minutes. 120 minutes will give us 2 hours. 2 hours. So we have 700 seconds and we have 12 minutes. So 12 multiplied by 12, so that gives us 720. So we are going to 720 seconds and we have 700 seconds already. So here will be 20 seconds. So we have 100 minutes and then we have 11 hours. So 60 multiplied by 11, that gives us 660. We have 100 already, so we are going to 60. So this will lead us to 560 minutes. So that is the operation that evolve around this quantitative reasoning. So what you must get right is how many seconds makes a minute and how many minutes makes an hour. So thank you very much and see you next time.